Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming, those of you who managed to make it here. This press conference was called by the UNFPA for the Committee for the United Nations Population Award. And I'd like to point out, because it happens very often, some confusion sneaks in. This is not a UNFPA award. This is a United Nations award. And the UNFPA does serve as a secretariat for the committee solely. So without any further ado, I'd like to turn the meeting over to the chairman of the committee, His Excellency, the Ambassador of Guatemala, Julio Armando Martini Herrera.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming. It gives me a great pleasure to announce the winners of the only award United Nations bestows, the 1997 United Nations Population Award. They are Elizabeth Aguirre Calderón Sol, Director of the National Family Secretariat of El Salvador; Professor Toshio Kuroda, Director Emeritus, Nihon University Population Research Institute in Tokyo; and Senator Mechai Veravaidia, the Director of the Population Development Association of Thailand. Dr. Elizabeth Aguirre de Calderón Sol, Director of the National Family Secretariat of El Salvador, was proposed by the government of Ecuador and the government of Spain. Her merits lie in promoting social development when she was president of the Brigade for Social Development in 1989, and for her more recent work directing the National Family Secretariat. Professor Toshio Kuroda, Director Emeritus, Nihon University Population Institute in Tokyo, Japan, was proposed by the government of Japan. Mr. Tadao Koike, the president of the Mainichi Shimbun, by Professor Mercedes Concepcion, Population Institute, University of Philippines, and Professor Lee J. Cho, Executive Vice President, East-West Center in Honolulu, Hawaii. In recognition for his half-century of scientific studies, writing, teaching, technical assistance, and general leadership in population issues in Japan, throughout Asia and the world, Professor Kuroda may well be called the Dean of the Asian Demographers. Senator Mechai Veravaidia, Senator and Director of the Population and Development Association in Thailand, was proposed by the government of Netherlands and honored in recognition of his more than 2 decades of energetic and innovative work promoting on human population policy in Thailand and throughout Asia. He was one of the first leaders to acknowledge Thailand's growing problem with AIDS and work to frame an effective national policy for AIDS prevention. We will hold the ceremony this June to present each winner with a diploma, a gold medal, and an equal share of the monetary prize of $20,000 US. There were a great number of nominations this year, more than usual, and they were of very high quality. The committee spent a great deal of time and effort looking at the analysis of the nominations. These were difficult choices to make since there were so many excellent candidates, but the committee felt that, in the end, it was made the best choices. The only regret is that we could not give the award to more of the nominees, but we felt that we had to limit it to 3. The number 3 also has additional significance. For the past 8 years, the award has gone to a single individual or a single institutions or to one of each. This year, in honor of the award's 15th anniversary, the committee decided to give it to 3 laureates. Also this year we had a large number of outstanding individual nominees, and that is why the committee picked individuals rather than institutions. I would point out that this is not a precedent, but rather a one-time occasion to mark a milestone in the award's history. Next year, the committee can revert it to giving the award to one of 2 or 2 laureates. Thank you very much.
Do we have questions?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I would make, I think, one little correction. I think the award is $25,000. I think.
Yeah.
Yesterday you
How much is it?
You said 20, just
20?
20. It's 25,000.
25,000. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Mandat.
I very well thank you.
Thank you very much. There's a press release there, and DPI will also put out more information later on. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.